Hey. If I throw out another can and it's all shaken up, it would be brilliant.
Maybe I'll shake her up. You spilled beer on my bed already.
Yeah, alright. How about if I open the can then?
Dan spilled beer on my bed.
Michelle Fowler, hello there. Date is the 15th of December 1991. December, yes. That's the 24th of the 3rd, 91. Denzo here. Not doing a great deal at the moment.
What's the date today?
15th of December 91. Time is in the evening.
6 o'clock.
They got your car back.
Pub's open in 1 hour. Yeah. There you got me.
Excellent condition. My name's Wayne. Can't help it, but I was born like it.
Me close, don't let me go.
Hello, you want the banter thing? Seen it.
I'm waiting to record it, I'll hi-fi stereo.
I've seen it about 10 billion tweets. I've got enough leading. Oh, so how was Christmas? 5 days ago now.
Certainly was. That was that man there that we can see now.
Once again, you'll find unbeatable value on carpets, beds, sofa beds, wardrobes, curtains, towels, duvets and much more. Furnish with style and save money in the sale of the season at Rusden's on London Road in East Grinstead. The sale starts this Thursday.
Get on this.
Yeah, we get it. Recording.
Yeah. Look to me a minute. So look at me.
Adam, 14th of March 1991. I've only had an XR3i. I dream about XR3is. Dan's fun. You're doing it on that night of what night was that now? This game's really getting on my fucking Alan Ricker. Evening, Dan.
Evening, it was the 5th of the 3rd, 92.
Yes, and the time is 8:32.
Yeah,
How's it hanging?
you know, I'm doing some acting now. You're not supposed to look at the camera when you're acting, right? Yeah. Where do you look though? Sort of look over someone's shoulder, I suppose. Yeah, look over his shoulder now.
I've got to play this seal a bit quick. Alright, we shall just see my mouth.
Do you see what is it?
Say goodbye to Zoe. It's a very good idea. You in the corner. There. You. Is it time to go?
It's just in the cupboard now, is it?
Inspect. Right, inspect the cupboard. We have king size Rizzlers and half an oxo cube in silicone wrapping. Not silicone wrap. Cling film.
What's that take?
One TV inside another.
We've experienced
Yeah, look.
television.
Yeah, cool.
I fear they'd go on forever, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would. Yeah, into infinity.
But of course, a television screen.
What did I say? Legalise cannabis.
Story. It's my life. It's my life. Take it or leave it. Dump me in the street or take me into Superdrug, whatever you want. Just give me some boots
Yeah.
and I'll go and shoot your loops.
Your bottom lip. It's like slugged, isn't it?
Was that your tongue?
I don't know.
Angela, look.
It's like that fucking chin. Look at it.
Burning Manning chin. Ben Manning Ching, that's the Chinese version.
Oh, look at him there. Looks like a model. It's a model, look.
Go darkness way though. What's that darkness on it?
It's a lens.
Yeah, Dan.
Hey.
The Pratt's birds, isn't it?
Yeah, got it on.
Ah.
Pratt's birds.
It's good.
Monocle.
Five mackerel.
Spot. Doctor.
That's his brother.
Oh, wait, zoom up on my spot. There, I've got 3. No, stop there. Look, yeah, that's it. Look. 1. No, 1. 1, 2, 3. Spotty little bastard. It's my life. Take it or leave it.
When you throw a cut on, and
Superman.
yeah. What about the Yorkshire Whipper?
Plenty of Yorkshire pudding, potatoes, cabbage, a lot. Alright.
It's just like pick on 8-year-old people, don't it?
Cheese and
Strangle them
pickle.
to sleep.
What's that?
Go another cheese and pickle. Oh, get some belly.
Really? Hamster bedding.
It was a bit. We've got some sunflower oil. It's my flour.
Flora.
Take it or leave it. Do you have golden churn or golden crown?
Like Flora Mazurine.
It was a bit. What I say? What's in bed? It was a bed.
Eh?
That's like made out of little what strawy material. When fame and fortune knocked upon Mark's door, and all the people
Rised.
on the
Oh
wall.
shit. You should listen to yourself. And after about 20 seconds, you both start talking to each other, and each time you do a stupid phrase, it goes straight to you, straight back. You listen to it and you play it back.
It's my life. I take it or leave it.
It's like you're saying some sort of foreign language, like you do.
When did you last walk on the moon?
I believe it was last Easter.
I want to count the pebbles on the beach.
The cosmopolitan.
That's a chocolate flavour. No, it's different flavour ice cream, and you get 3 flavours. Was that complimentum or something? Complimented. What's it called?
Confirmation.
No, not complimented.
Promotion.
Napoleon. Ain't that a famous writer? Napoleon.
Napoleon is a bloody war general with the French, wasn't he?
What's that ice cream then?
Napoleon.
Napoleon. What did I say then?
Neapolitan.
Oh, you two are
No,
confused.
you said Napoleon.
You two.
Recording.
Yeah.
Let's go.